Okay, so I've been meaning to film a hair tutorial for a while now, and I'm up and I wash my hair, so I figured why not. So I start off with the Living Proof Triple Detox Shampoo. If you've been following me for, sorry, it's wet from the shower. If you've been following me for a while, you know I've been using this for about a year now, I think. And it's a really good way to clarify your scalp, get all that dry shampoo out. So I start with this, I follow it with the full shampoo, which I love, gives volume. And lastly, this is a new conditioner for me, but I got this set at the Nordstrom sale, so I've been using the full conditioner as well. It definitely really conditions. I may switch away from it because I feel like it kind of weighs my hair down, but I'm giving it a full run just to confirm. Things I occasionally use is this purple shampoo to get rid of any brassiness. You gotta be careful with this because this will stain your hair purple. You have to really follow the directions on this one. And then I use this once a week. I've shared this in my stories a million times. This scalp scrub, I love this. Definitely makes my scalp feel super clean, cleans out that hair follicle, and it gives me like this amazing volume after I use it. So I use this once a week. I did just wash my hair. The hair towel is important. I have a hair towel that I got in like a FabFitFun box, and it does not work well. This is the Aqui. Has a little tag on the Aqui hair towel. This thing works. It definitely sucks a lot of the water out of your hair. You can kind of see it in there, but it's like a big sheet. I folded it in half. Love, love, love this. I've had it for, oh my goodness, forever. But I start off with a wide tooth comb and I just comb my hair out. And usually I brush it before I wash, so any knots or anything are already out before I even wash it. But I just take this, and this is, you can see the hair that comes out because life. So when I'm done combing it out, I use this volumizing mousse. Got2b sent me this like 2 years ago and I forgot about it, and I've been using it for 3 months now. I really like it. I don't use a ton. I shake it up like about that much. Distribute it through my hands and just get it all up in there. Then I use this Aveda Damage Ready Daily Hair Repair. I think I got this in a FabFitFun box, and one day I was out of hair product and I just grabbed it and I seem to really like it. I use about that much. And then I add these Whey hair oil. I'll add like a spritz or two of that. This is really good for your ends to prepare for any heat that you put on. I use a lot of heat on my hair between when I dry it and curling it and flat ironing it. So hair oil is key. I make sure it gets on the ends and the lengths of my hair. And then I just take my wide tooth comb again and I'll brush it through to distribute it all. Then I grab my hairdryer. I just recently got the T3. It's so pretty, but they had a flash sale. So I snagged this for $60. I think it's normally like over $200. I've really seen a difference in it. It dries my hair in like 4 minutes, whereas like my 1997 Conair that I had, it would take me like 15 minutes to dry my hair. No lie, I've timed it, 4 minutes. It also came with this matching round brush. Aesthetic. So I rough dry my hair, but then at the end I take the round brush and I try to like smooth out the ends really quick. My alarm just went off and cut off the video. I'm not gonna put you through that, so I will be back once I'm dry. Hair is dry, told you, volume. So what I do is I just comb it out real quick and I do my makeup in between drying and curling my hair. So what I'll do is, as a prep step, because you gotta prepare for the oil that's gonna come, I add some dry shampoo. I use Suave. I've been using it for, oh my goodness, like 6 or 7 years. If you're a long time follower, you know this. So I just throw a little bit in, prep for the oil that will come regardless, and then I just take a little alligator clip my hair back, do my makeup, and then I'll be back. Voila. Okay, so as I curl my hair, I do it in sections. So this little clip comes in handy. My curling iron broke a couple weeks ago and the cord just came disconnected, and there's also like a 1997 Conair curling iron. So I grabbed this one at Marshall's. Hot Shot Tools. I thought it was a Hot Tools. It's apparently a knockoff of Hot Tools. It is an 1.25" barrel. However, I'm not a huge fan of it. I'm probably just gonna bite the bullet and get the T3 one that everyone raved about when I asked for your recs. So here we go. Just comb it out. Take a section. Now I take my curling iron. I run it down the length of my hair, and I start from the top, go about 1/3 of the way, and curl. Same thing, and I leave the ends out because it gives that like messy look. Voila. I say that a lot, sorry. Sure my hair doesn't get mixed in. Same thing, and you're curling away from your face when you do this. Hold it. Again. So then when you go on this side, you're gonna curl away from your face. Alright, and I'll catch you on the next layer. Alright, so then I work on the second section. I take my hair down, kind of section it around here, twist it up, clip it, and do the same thing that I did on the bottom layer. And what I do is, as I finish each section, like each one of these guys, I pull it forward so it doesn't get mixed in with the ones I haven't done already. So this is like my whole bottom layer. Hold and curl. All right, so then I get to the top section, and I do this in different steps. So first I section off like this back portion, and then I clip this, but I dropped my clip, so hold on. All right, so this back section, I take this, I run a brush through it, then I split it in half. And I do that same curl. Sometimes that happens. It's fine. Everything's fine. It's okay. We're gonna make it. There we go. All right, and then I take, you can see where my hair is thinning. It's starting to fill in some, but there's still that spot there. It's not fun. So I section off here. If I were to do like a deep side part on this side, brush it out, split it. Curl it away from my face. When you get around these front pieces, you don't want to hold the heat on it for too long because the hair's thinner and more fragile, and you don't want to break it. And sometimes it does that, and that's fine. It's not a big deal. It doesn't have to be perfect. I actually like it messier. I leave the end out because if not, you get these like tendrils, and I don't want that. So same thing on the other side. Like if you were to do a deep part, so then you have your whole center section here. Away from the face. It's a cute look, right? You digging it? All right, now you have the center section. I split this into 3 sections. So I start with the first one, brush it. I'm gonna curl it back, but with the curling iron facing to the left. I'm gonna hold it there. Ta-da. Then I'm gonna take the middle part of this, so I split it into thirds, kind of. And with this one, sorry, I'm gonna curl it back with the curling iron facing the right. There we go. And then this one, curl it back and then facing the left again. So I'm alternating the way that the curling iron's facing. I don't know if that actually does anything, to be honest. I just do it so it's not all exactly the same. We got these wavy locks. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to spray with hairspray. Kind of give it some hold. Oh, I use the Got to Be Freeze spray. Been using this forever. The boys use it. It's really good and it's cheap at Target. I think I get it. Yeah, Target. And hold on. Okay, so I let it cool for a minute and then I do a middle part because then you don't see my thinning spot as much. Gotta love it. And then I just kind of piece it. I've been using this. This came with that Living Proof set. It's the dry volume blast. So what I'll do is I'll lift up this section, shake it really well. And some fluff in the back. Then if my ends are looking dry, I'll take another squirt of this hair oil and I'll just like kind of squeeze it in there because I don't want to mess my curls up, TBH. And like, I like that messy, slightly frizz look. It's just my jam. So then I'll spray a little bit more. There you go. Hair tutorial.